Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from Wrike with custom form field cleanup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the project that you wish to withdraw. Select the project by clicking on its title. Once the project page is open, locate the custom form that is associated with the project. Click on the Forms tab within the project view. Identify the specific custom fields that you want to clean up. Review the entries in these fields to determine what information needs to be removed. To remove unwanted data, click on the field you wish to edit. Manually clear the entries in the field or update them as necessary. If you have multiple fields to clean up, repeat this process for each one. After making your changes, look for the Save button and click on it. Confirm that all entries have been accurately updated to reflect your desired outcomes. Next, navigate back to the project overview. Locate the Withdraw option and click on it. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to withdraw the project. Review any relevant information before confirming the withdrawal. Once confirmed, the project will be successfully withdrawn from your Wrike workspace. Finally, check that your changes and the withdrawal have been processed correctly by reviewing the project list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.